Hey there! Today we dive in the topic that shows up everything, from video games and physics to machine learning and navigations, vectors. Don't worry if you never heard of them before. By the end of this video, you will know what vectors are, how to use them, and why they matter. So, what exactly is a vector? In simplest terms, a vector is something that has two things: magnitude and direction. Magnitude is how much, interaction is which way. Think of an arrow point from one point to another point. The length of the arrow tells the magnitude, and the direction that the arrow had tells the direction. So that part is a magnitude, and that part is direction. Then, for example, if you walk 5 steps north, and that movement can be described by a vector of 5 units long, point north. It doesn't matter where you started. What matters is how far in which way. Then vectors can live in 2D, 3D, or even higher dimensions, but for now we'll stick to 2D to keep it simple. One way to represent a vector is with coordinates. A vector that has goals 3 units to the right and 2 units up is writing as 3, 2. This is called a position vector. And we usually draw it starting at the orange 0, 0. You might also see it writing vertically that way. The numbers that are called the components of the vectors. You can add vectors too. If one vector moves to the right and another moves you up, doing both means you move diagonal. We add then the components by components, like this. 3, 2 plus 1, 4 is 4, 6. You is basically adding the x with the x and y with the y. Then here's the same thing. It's like combining moves in a game. Go step 3 right, go 2 up, then 1 to the right, and then 4 up. So you go 4 to the right, 3 plus 1, and 6 up, 2 plus 4. It's simple. Next, you can also multiply a vector by a number, call it a scalar. Multiply 2, 1 by 3. You will get 6, 3. And it is the same direction, but 3 times longer. Then there's also the dot product, a way to combine 2 vectors and get a single number. It tells you how much they point in the same direction. If the dot product is 0, they perpendicular. That's the formula. Okay. And in 3D, we have the cross product. It gives you a vector that's perpendicular to both original vectors. Super useful in physics and 3D modeling. So why should you care about vectors? In physics, they represent forces, velocities, and directions. In computer graphics and video games, they handle movement, lighting, and camera angles. In machine learning, they represent data and features. Vectors are everything, and once you start exploiting them, you will see how powerful and versatile they really are. So let's do a quick recap. Vectors have magnitude and direction. You can add, subtract, and scale them. They use in physics, graphics, and tons of real-world problems applications. So basically that's a video. I hope you enjoy and learn, and thanks for your time.